Cryptocurrency can make you rich, but only when you treat it as a real skill, not just a lucky gamble. Most people jump into crypto hoping for overnight success, but the truth is very different. If you want long-term wealth, you need a clear plan, solid knowledge, and the right mindset. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact roadmap that can turn crypto from a confusing topic into a powerful tool for financial freedom. So, where do you start? Step 1 is to learn the absolute basics first. This is your foundation to avoid losing money. Understand what a blockchain is, what Bitcoin and Ethereum do, and how wallets and exchanges work. Seriously, don't skip this. Most people lose money because they jump in blind. A solid foundation is your best defense against costly mistakes. Step 2. Follow the money by learning about market cycles. The crypto market moves in predictable patterns of boom and bust, known as bull and bear markets. Understanding these cycles helps you know when to buy low and when to consider taking profits. It's about timing, and learning these patterns gives you a huge advantage over the emotional crowd that always buys at the top. Once you understand the cycles, it's time for step 3, master long-term investing. This is by far the safest and most proven way to build wealth in crypto. It's a strategy called HODling, where you buy solid projects like Bitcoin and Ethereum and hold them for years, regardless of short-term price swings. It's less stressful and has historically created incredible wealth for patient investors. Next, step 4 is for those who want faster results, but it requires high skill. Learn crypto trading. Unlike investing, trading involves buying and selling assets over shorter time frames, from days to even minutes. This requires a deep understanding of technical analysis, risk management, and market psychology. It's not for everyone, but if you master it, the profit potential is huge. Now for a game changer. Step 5. Learn Web3 skills. This is where you can find some of the highest income opportunities in the entire crypto space. Think about becoming a blockchain developer, a smart contract auditor, or a Web3 marketing specialist. These skills are in massive demand, and companies are willing to pay top dollar. This isn't about investing. It's about building a high-paying career in the industry of the future. Step 6 is one of the most exciting. Learn how to identify gem coins. These are the smaller, undiscovered projects that have the potential to grow 10x, 50x, or even 100x. Finding them requires serious research into the project's technology, team, tokenomics, and community. It's high risk, high reward, but this is where life-changing gains can be made if you know what to look for. Step 7 is all about making your crypto work for you. Learn staking and passive income. Instead of just letting your coins sit in a wallet, you can stake them to help secure a network and earn rewards in return. It's like earning interest on your savings, but often with much higher returns. There are other ways to earn passive income too, like yield farming, but staking is a great place to start. This next one is critical. Step 8, learn security. So many people make money in crypto only to lose it all to hacks, scams, or simple mistakes. You absolutely must learn how to use hardware wallets, recognize phishing attempts, and secure your private keys. Your security is your responsibility, and neglecting it is like leaving your front door wide open. Step 9 is to join crypto communities. You can't learn all this in a vacuum. Join reputable groups on platforms like Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. Follow smart people, ask questions, and immerse yourself in the conversation. Being part of a community helps you stay updated on the latest trends, discover new opportunities, and learn from the collective experience of others. Finally, step 10 is to bring it all together and create a long-term wealth plan. What are your financial goals? What's your risk tolerance? Your plan will define how much you allocate to long-term holds, how much you might use for trading, and which passive income strategies you'll pursue. A plan turns your crypto activities from random guesses into a structured strategy for building wealth. And that's the complete roadmap to becoming rich by truly learning cryptocurrency. Remember, wealth doesn't come from guessing. It comes from understanding, practicing, and making smart decisions. I've shared the 10 main steps with you today. And in the next part, I'll explain each of these steps in full detail, one by one. So make sure you stay tuned, the next video is coming very soon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that can transform your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.